Welcome to Consumer Short Term Classes. Today I give you 7 minutes dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. This dictation was given in the examinations conducted by Tamil Nadu Government's Board of Technical Education in the month of February 2016. So get ready to take dictation. Start. Mr. Speaker, Sir, I wish to congratulate the Honorable Finance Minister on his bold step in coming forward with taxation proposals for the purpose of improving the financial position of the state. At the same time, I must also express my views in respect of certain taxation proposals with which I do not agree. The Honorable Finance Minister himself has expressed his opinion on the floor of the House that he was prepared to become unpopular by imposing certain new taxes for the benefit of the people of the state. I am happy that he is willing to drop from taxation some of the articles which are the basic necessities of life of the common man. Of course, we are all aware that he is always responsive to public opinion and he will take a decision after the report of the select committee is received. I wish to refer to the bill which deals with the levy of entertainment tax on cinemas. We are all aware that any taxation proposal is unpopular. Even though I am not sure about the financial position of cinema theaters, I feel that it is proper to allocate the amounts collected as entertainment tax from cinemas to the local bodies like municipalities or corporations or panchayat boards from whose areas the collection is made. By this measure, we can assure the local bodies with necessary finance to meet their requirements. I want to say one more thing in this connection. Even if the government get all the monies through the several taxation measures, the government will require more finances because the expenditure on education, health, public works, etc. is increasing year after year due to cost of living and salaries to employees in the several departments of the government. The local bodies also require finance for performing their functions, and the government should come forward to help them in ample measure to the maximum extent possible. In this connection, I want to remind the government that by doing so, we can make the local bodies to have sufficient financial resources and thereby I discourage them from coming to the government very often with a request for some grant or other financial help. The state has the responsibility to see that local bodies are able to function in a better way without depending on the government for their financial needs. With these words, I support the bill. Letter from Nathan and Company, Hyderabad, to Messrs. Moses and Company, Mumbai, dated 5th January 2015. Dear sirs, we are very pleased to inform you that we have now introduced our new brand ceiling and table fans. We would like to inform you that the present model is very much improved in quality and design as compared to our previous models. The price is reasonable and the products will have a good market among the lower middle class people. We have already received several inquiries from different parts of India. We would like to offer a generous discount of 15% and 1 month's credit to all our dealers. We are sure that you will take advantage of this offer and place your orders at your earliest convenience. We wish to assure you that we will be in a position to execute your orders promptly and with great care and to your entire satisfaction. Yours faithfully. That's all.